trying to get an idea of how to display an aggregate pool of, let's say we have a list of 8 pages. I want to show the average bounce rates across all 8 pages. And then when you go down to each page, pull the bounce rate for that page.
You can do something like this. It doesn't display the actual bounce rates because I don't have the right page view. I think it's because of the dummy data here.
Mhm.
But the gist here is that I have selected the page view event and I'm grouping by page title here.
Okay.
Maybe we can start this from scratch. Let's say page title. Then you have the second column here where you have the bounce rate. It
Mhm.
does give you a warning. So you need, I think it's referring to the default page viewed event that the Amplitude SDK is tracking. So it might be hard coded to that. I'm not 100% sure.
If I were to group it by like, URLs, if I put each individual URL in there as a is like a equals all these 8 URLs, would that do it?
Oh, so you want to see the combined bounce rate for all of those then?
Exactly.
I'm thinking it should be possible. If not like this, then maybe through a custom event.